So hey friends, I decided to do a little staycation in the Dallas area this weekend. There's 3 weekends of the year that I just don't camp. Labor Day, Memorial Day, and July 4th. It's always just too freaking crowded, even on a good year. So yeah, I decided to come out to Dallas. I wanted to see the new Stevie Ray Vaughn memorial that they have here in Keist Park. It's a little bit of a letdown.
She's lost. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again.
That's what's happening here. In my mind, I was going to fly my drone and this was going to be really cool, but yeah, maybe not. Yeah, it's underwhelming for sure. So I don't really know what I want to do now. This was kind of a bummer letdown. Guess I'll go find something to get into. Alright, so after driving around aimlessly for a little while, I found myself at the Trinity Overlook Park. And I think I can fly my drone here. We'll find out. Not as crowded at this spot, don't know why, but I'll take it.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night. Race all of these broken dreams in flight.
Well, that was fun, but it's a little bit scary flying a drone this close to the city. I noticed there was a care flight coming in and a small plane flying over. Not that my drone's going to go that high. I just thought, well, you know what? I'm going to land it and go elsewhere. So let's go elsewhere, shall we? I don't know where that's going to be. So I'm not having any luck here in Dallas. There's just too many people out and about. And I mean, it's packed. I guess Memorial Day weekend, everybody's out playing. Oh, I'm gonna get run over by a train. Yeah, this is weird.
In half a mile, slight left onto North Beckley Avenue.
Okay, well, but there's a train there. So yeah, there's train tracks in the street, and trains run on them, apparently. I did not know. Oh, I guess I have to stop at red lights, too. Huh. Streetcar. Nobody on it. Well, alrighty then. Yeah, going home. This is not my scene. So it's day 2 of the Memorial Day weekend staycation in Dallas. Since I couldn't see Stevie Ray Vaughn's memorial yesterday in Keist Park, I decided to come out where he's laid to rest at Laurel Memorial Park. There are quite a few interesting grave sites here in this Laurel Memorial Park. I'll show you a couple of them if I can find them. It's early Sunday morning, probably about 8:45 right now, so it shouldn't be very crowded. We'll see. It's a huge place, so I'm gonna have to find it. Oh, the best way to find it is probably gonna be with my geocaching app. Let me break that out. So yes, there is a geocache hidden there, and it's called Number 1. So let's go over and see if we can find it. Here we are at the Vaughn Estate. The description of the geocache goes like this. Who is this famous figure? Born October 3rd, 1954 at Methodist Hospital in Dallas, Texas, to Jim and Martha. On August 25th, 1990, his band performs a concert at Alpine Valley, Wisconsin. The lineup included Robert Cray, Eric Clapton, and Buddy Guy. After a rousing final encore on the 26th, he boards a helicopter on its way to Chicago. Shortly after midnight on August 27th, he is killed along with the pilot and 3 members of Eric Clapton's entourage when the helicopter crashed into a fog-shrouded hill. He is buried in a private cemetery in Dallas, Texas on August 31st. The mourners included Billy Gibbons, Stevie Wonder, Buddy Guy, Bonnie Raitt, Ringo Starr, and Dr. John. Outside the chapel, more than 3,000 fans gathered to say goodbye. He named his first guitar Number 1, also known as his first wife. Next, I decided to cruise over to the Sparkman Hillcrest Cemetery in Dallas. There's quite a few notable names buried here, such as baseball legend Mickey Mantle and his wife, billionaire and businessman Ross Perot, Mary Kay Ash, who was the founder of Mary Kay Cosmetics, and Freddie King, who was a blues musician. And you might recognize this name, Tom Landry, who was the coach of the Dallas Cowboys. It was really fun flying around this cemetery. It was challenging. Lots of obstacles for sure, but I didn't crash it once. I really like the unusual monuments that are here. They're not your everyday headstones, and I always find that very interesting. I love exploring cemeteries like this. Watch out for that tree. Now, this was one of my favorite parts of the cemetery. Check out this headstone coming up. I thought it was very unique. Anyway, I hope whatever you guys did this weekend, you had a fabulous weekend too. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And y'all, stay lost, my friends.